Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record shows on Superbox. Just all I have to do is follow my steps until the end, and let's begin the tutorial. Right, and so the first step, once we're here, you just need to open your browser. In that case, I'm gonna use Google Chrome because it's my favorite one. And then once we open it, we just need to head to Google, and from here we're gonna search for Superbox. And then here we have the Superbox official store. It says the best TV box for 2025 and so on. And also we can go here for Superbox official site. We just can click on it in order to double check the website itself, and it says all new 56 series available over now to watch. And also you can create a new account or you can sign in order to use this website. And so if there's an option of live stream over here on Superbox, you just can go for it, and then you can use the OBS application, which I'm using at this moment to record the show on Superbox live stream on the website, which is the official one. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.